So in this question, again you're given that this matrix is equal to this matrix. It asks to find unknowns A, B, C, D. So this is also a similar question to the previous question. So what are the required conditions for this matrix to be equal to this matrix? All the corresponding elements have to be same. So A minus B has to be equal to -1. 2A plus C has to be equal to 5. 2A minus B has to be equal to 0. 3C plus D has to be equal to 13. So all these 4 conditions have to be valid. Then only this matrix will be equal to this matrix. So now let us solve for A, B, C, D. So these two equations look like they are equations in A and B. We'll subtract one from the other. A is equal to 1. So we subtract the top equation from the bottom equation. A is equal to 1. B is equal to 2. A is equal to 1. B is equal to 2. Now if you substitute A is equal to 1 here, C is equal to 5 minus 2A, that is equal to 3. And if you put C in this equation, 3 times 3 plus D is equal to 13, D is equal to 4. So A, B, C, D is respectively equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4. Thank you.